Okay, it's the first week in February. It was 16 degrees last night. It's supposed to be 45 today, but it's probably upper 30s, I'm guessing. 15 inches of snow 2 weeks ago, and as you can see, it's all gone. We've had a couple inches of rain in the last couple of days. Camera off to try it out because I usually will try different things pretty quick to see if I get some bites. And just had a huge smallmouth swipe at this right at the bank. So what I'm gonna use is this. It's a Yum crawdad in a pumpkin seed color. Okay, I switched around a little bit, and the bite is very, daggone it, he swallowed it too. The bite is really soft. Maybe a pound. I'm back to the vehicle. It looks nice, but it is cold. My fingers are froze. It's difficult for me anyway to fish with gloves. So caught one. That was pretty nice. Now I got a mess with my fishing line. Okay, I'm going to ride up on the back side of this property, see if we can see anything. Since the fishing is cold and slow. Doesn't look like it, but the top layer is thawed just a little bit enough to make it slick, so I'm having to come off this huge steep hill and low range